In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export browsing data to a file on your Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Safari web browser if it is not already open. And then once it's open, you want to select the File tab up at the top left in the menu bar. And then go ahead and select Export Browsing Data to File. And then you can select what you want to export. So bookmarks, history, extensions, saved credit card information, as well as passwords. Select the export button to export it, and then you can save it to a certain location on your computer, as well as name it a certain file name. Please note, I think it just saves it as a compressed zip file by default. Save it to wherever you want on your computer or your drive, and then select save, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.